How to lock your Facebook profile on Android. This tutorial shows you how to restrict strangers from viewing your full profile with just a few taps. First, open the Facebook app on your Android device and head over to your profile. After that, tap the three dots on your profile page to open the options menu. From there, scroll through the options and look for Lock Profile and tap on it. At this point, a screen will appear explaining exactly what gets restricted once your profile is locked. Things like your photos, posts, and other details will only be visible to your friends. In the next step, read through the information so you know what to expect after locking. Following this, tap on Lock Your Profile to confirm and apply the changes. Once done, your profile will be locked immediately, and anyone who isn't on your friends list will only be able to see a very limited version of your profile. Finally, keep in mind that if you ever want to unlock it, just head back to the same place, and you'll see the option has changed to Unlock Profile, which you can tap anytime. And that's it. If this guide helped you lock your Facebook profile on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Facebook tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.